Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Jerry from Bigelow Woodcraft, and I have a white oak on the mill today. And I need 3 4x6s. It's going to be close. This is 12 inches on the small end. I'm not sure how big it is on the big end. But a 12 inch will give me an 8-inch cant if I don't want any waning, but I can use some waning on these, no big deal. 13. So it has a 1-inch taper. I'm going to actually try to get a 10-inch can out of it so I can get the 4x6s. And if I got some waning on it, so be it. These are just for some skids. That's all they're going to be for. They will have ground contact. That's why I'm using white oak. So I'm going to flip this over, see if I can get a 10-inch cant out of this, or close to it. I won't clamp that side down. It's heavy enough. So I'm going to cut this up and see if we can get it. Ooh, that ain't too bad. guys, I was able to get 3 4x6s out of that 12-inch white oak log that was 11.5 feet long. These only need to be 9 feet, each one of them. Actually, 2 of them need to be 9 feet, 2 of them little under 4, little under 5, so they'll work. I'll nip this crack off here on each end. There's a little shake that came through it. But anyhow, I'm really happy. A little bit of waning on it, but that ain't gonna be anything. These are gonna be skids for that giant outhouse I've been building for that guy. So there'll be a taper on each end of it cut, and they'll hang out, the thing's 9 foot. Yeah, so I'll probably have them hang out about 6 inches, just so you can get a chain on it. I'll run a hole through it, put a taper on it, run a hole through it, so you can run your chain through it. And that way he'll be able to drag this as his hole fills up over the years. So that's gonna do it for this video, guys. And I'm really happy with the results of this. The Frontier OS27 is doing great. I did replace the switch today on my power feed. I'm wearing these switches out, and I'm just putting those cheap Amazon switches on. I think the next time I'm gonna order probably a switch from Hubble. I could get a Hubble switch. They're designed for more switching, more continuous duty. These little Amazon switches just aren't holding up, so I'm gonna replace that probably in the next couple of weeks. But I put a new switch in it and everything worked great. That power feed has been really going well. What I've noticed though with the power feed, and now that I have the extensions on, you put that blade in that log, especially on a longer log, a 14, 15, 16 foot log, I'm finding I need more water, more lube than I normally do, just because I think it's in the log longer maybe and keep the blade cool. I have broke a couple blades now since I built the extensions and the power feed. One, I'm not feeling when they're dull. I can hear the RPMs changing, but I'm probably not getting them off soon enough. So I'm still working on that feel. But I'm finding that if I poured more water to it, my blades aren't breaking. Because I broke 3 of them in 3 weeks. But like I said, these blades, I've got a lot of sharpens, probably anywhere from 6 to 10 sharpens on each blade. So they're getting pretty short. But guys, I'm just rambling. So like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you at the sawmill next time. Have a great day.